Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. There are many ways which you can connect a Google Pixel Watch to iPhone, but the recent change in iOS to Wear OS compatibility recently has become a challenge, and many has been asking how they can connect any Pixel Watch to their iPhone. There's a step-by-step guide on how you can connect your Pixel Watch to iPhone. Go to the Play Store, search for Merge app, install Merge on your Pixel Watch. In case I forgot, if your Google account is associated with your watch, you can install the app directly from your phone or computer. Alternatively, simply open the Play Store on your watch and search for Merge. Once you've installed and opened the app, you'll be greeted by a welcome guide. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to set up permissions for notifications and Bluetooth, and will make sure notifications are set up correctly on your Pixel Watch. Now, it's time to connect your Pixel Watch and iPhone. Scroll down in the device list and select Add Another, which will make your watch visible to the iPhone. Just follow the on-screen instructions to pair the two devices. Once paired, a prompt will appear on your iPhone asking for permission to share notifications. Make sure to approve that. With everything set up, your iPhone notifications and phone calls will now appear on your Pixel Watch. By now you can comfortably enjoy your watch with your iPhone without stress. If you have any question, please drop it on the comments section. You can as well support this channel by affiliate link on the description of the video. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.